You snoring?
How could you sleep next to something that sounds like that?
You tell him. I can sleep her in a half, and she's been asking me to have a more than